Hello and welcome everyone to The Bottom Line. This is Sneha Tiwari. Let's have a quick look over the updates. India's first women mine rescue team trains at Hindustan Zinc as a part of its core philosophy, safety first. Hindustan Zinc trains India's first ever all-women mining rescue team to ensure utmost safety maintenance in mining operation. This initiative is one of its kind, aligning with the company's sustainability development goals aimed at ensuring zero harm in operations. The rescue team of the 7 women officers were given base training at the company's RRRT center at Rajpura Dariba Complex and were then sent for rigorous training at Mine Rescue Station, Nagpur. Luxury furniture brand Durian Furniture launched their new store in Surat, Gujarat. India's most trusted luxury furniture brand Durian announced the launch of their Surat store on 16th of May. This is the first store in Surat and 5th store opened by the brand in the state of Gujarat. The store is located at Surat-Dumas main road and is well connected to the city. 5 super stylish OTT stars who have got us drooling over their fashion sense. OTT platform has offered a new lease of entertainment to the audience. At the same time, it has also shown the spotlight on many actors, adding to their popularity or turning them into an overnight stars in some cases. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The on-screen popularity of the actor also translates into the interest in the off-screen persona of actors, forcing them to put their best foot forward at every outing and even on social media. Hrithik Roshan, proud of its Krish co-star Priyanka Chopra of her latest show Citadel. Hrithik Roshan took to his social media to heap praises on his Krish and Agnipath co-star Priyanka Chopra for her power-packed performance in Amazon Prime Video's international origin Citadel. Hrithik and Priyanka are not only professional colleagues but also share a deep friendship, the testimony of which was also evident in the actress' book Unfinished. Matter announces special pre-book offer for electric motorbike Era. Matter, a tech innovation-led startup, is set to start the pre-booking for its flagship motorbike Matter Era. The online pre-booking will open on Matter in Flipkart.com and Autocapital.com from May 17th across 25 districts in the country. So these were the updates from The Bottom Line. Thank you for watching Tripple.com. Stay tuned with us.